Biomedical informatics is a new medical field that will one day allow doctors to examine a patient's genetic profile to figure out which medicines will work best. Its initial target is cancer. NJN News health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler reports on the program that's being launched at the Cancer Institute of New Jersey.
And the step size is always set at 5.
Biomedical informatics is a new field that merges math, science, and computers to figure out what causes the body's cells to run amok and turn into cancer. The Cancer Institute of New Jersey in New Brunswick has launched a major initiative to harness that information at the DNA level.
What we want to do is intervene before symptoms appear and preserve normal function as long as possible.
At a recent briefing for medical experts and health reporters, the emphasis was on one day developing personalized cancer treatments that are based on a patient's own genetics.
We have the highest population density in the U.S., and it's also among the most ethnically diverse states. And if we can if we can collect their genes and collect the information about diseases, we're in a really strong position to lead this whole field.
The goal of biomedical informatics is to identify specific treatment options for patients with cancer and other diseases. In other words, to offer personalized medicine.
For cancer, it's particularly important because many of our medicines have lots of side effects, so we really don't want to get it wrong. We want to give an individual person what's best for them, not what's best for an average hypothetical person.
I think it would affect anybody's treatment, mine as well as everybody else's, and you might not have to go through different rounds to get what you need.
It's already being done for the 20 to 30% of women who have a certain type of breast cancer that responds to a drug called Herceptin.
We are trying to discover the next generation of biomarkers that could personalize health care for cancer patients who are afflicted with other types of cancer.
It's a major concern, especially in New Jersey, which has one of the highest cancer incidence rates in the nation. Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, New Brunswick.